guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. My name is kimberlyelese and today's video is going to be my wash day routine on how I get these gorgeous curls on type 4 hair with thinning hair and alopecia. So if that is something that you would like to see, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, let's get into the wash day routine. I will be starting with the Alopecia number 3 treatment. It's basically a bond restoring treatment that strengthens and repairs the hair shaft. I'm just going to put that in until my hair is completely saturated with it and let it sit for 30 minutes. I really enjoy using this product. After I completely put it in, I can tell that it's doing something to my hair because my curls will start to pop even more, as you will see in the video. And after that processes for about 30 minutes, I'm going to rinse that out and start the shampoo process. For the shampoo, I'm using the K-PAK Color Therapy Color Protecting Shampoo. I really enjoy this shampoo. It doesn't make my hair feel stripped. It keeps it moisturized. And it cleans my scalp, which is pretty important to me because I have alopecia. So I need my scalp to stay pretty clean with all the products that I use throughout the week. So we're going to get that in, get a good lather, get a scrub and scratch going. I love a shampoo that has a good lather. And then we're going to rinse that out and start with our deep conditioner. For the deep conditioner, I'm using the Joico Don't Despair Repair Mask. This deep conditioner is awesome, guys. It has amazing slip. It makes my hair feel so soft once it's rinsed out. So I'm going to put that on towel dried hair after I shampoo. I am pretty heavy-handed with my products, guys, so I put a lot of this in. After my hair is completely saturated with the product, I'll put on a plastic cap and I'll get my deep conditioning cap, pop it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and let that sit for another 30 minutes while I get some cleaning done around the house. After that sits for about 30 minutes, we're ready to start the styling process. So on clean, deep condition, freshly washed hair, I'm going to be using my Kinky Curly Knot today and the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. These two products are a power duo for any natural girl. They work wonderfully together. They have my curls popping. So I'm just gonna distribute that leave-in throughout my hair. And once that's thoroughly distributed, I'm gonna go in with the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Like I said before, guys, I am heavy-handed with my products, so I use quite a bit of gel. I just basically put enough gel in until I feel like my hair is completely saturated with it. And after I have enough gel applied, I'm gonna go in with my curling sponge. And when using my curling sponge, I like to use the bumpy side of the sponge. I just like the way the curl definition looks better with that side of the sponge. And I'll just go in circular motions all around my head. I'll switch back and forth between my fingertips and the sponge. I do have alopecia, traction alopecia on the sides, and CCCA alopecia in the crown of my head. So I use my fingers to distribute hair in areas where it's thinning the most, especially on that side. And you basically just want to go back and forth between the sponge and your hands, fluffing up the roots, using the sponge to define your curls. I use my fingers or the tips of my nails to lay down my edges as well. I don't use any edge control paste or edge brush on my edges. I just kind of finesse them a little bit with my fingers to get them to lay how I want them to lay. And I just go back and forth between the sponge and my fingers, fluffing up my roots. My hair is quite thin in the top, so I like to fluff my roots up to cover up some of those thinning spots, basically to try to make my hair look as cohesive as possible throughout. Guys, I know it looks like I'm going in with the sponge, but I promise you I am very gentle with my hair. I'm barely touching the tips of my hair with the sponge to get it to coil. You don't have to go in really, really hard with it. It works when you use it in the most gentlest way. And here I am just finessing those edges a little bit. I just use my fingertips to kind of lay them in the direction that I want them to go, and I'll use the gel to lay them down. And you basically just want to go back and forth until you get the desired look that you like. And here, once it's about 75% dry, I'll use my pick to pick up my roots a little bit to give me a little bit more fullness in the top of my head. And this is the finished look, guys. I'm going to do a 360 so you guys can see the back. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. That is it for today, guys. That's all I got, and I'll see you in the next one.